Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.3. Let us get into the session.
Exercise 4.3, first question. The bishop is in given picture of chessboard. Can move diagonally along dark squares. Describe the translation of the bishop after two moves as shown in the figure. Listen, in this picture, they given bishop moves. First, 2 moves right side and 2 moves downwards. First move. Second moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 downwards and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left side. So, write down that. For first move, bishop can moves only dark. Dark bishop means dark box only it can move. So, 2 moves right side and then 2 moves downwards. That is first move. For second move, 5 moves downwards and 5 moves left side. So that is the answer for this picture. Second sum, write a possible translation for each of the chess piece for a single move. For a single move, how many blocks it can move? That is the question. Possible moves, that is. First one, pawn. Starts from pawn. That is only one move upward or 2 moves upward. So, 1 move upward or 2 moves upward. That is the possible move for pawn. Next one, rook. Rook can move 1 to 8 step upward. That only it can move. Next one, knight. Knight, it moves L shape only. You know very well. So that is L shape means first 2 step right side and 1 step upward, or 2 step move left side and 1 step upward, or 1 step right side and 2 step upwards, or 1 step left side and 2 moves upward. That is the possible move for knight. Next one, bishop. Bishop, we already seen that black means black moves only. White means white. 1 moves right side and 1 moves upward, or 2 moves right side, 2 moves upward, or 3 moves right side, 3 moves upward, or 4 step right side, 4 step upward, or 5 step right side, 5 step upward, or now left side, 1 step left side, 1 step upward, or 2 step left side, 2 step upward, or 3 step left side, 3 step upward, or 4 step left side, 4 step upward, or 5 step left side, 5 step upward. These are the possible move for the bishop. Next one, what is that? Queen. It can move anywhere in the chessboard, right? That is 1 to 8 steps upward. It can possible. Okay, now next one, 1 right side, 1 step upward, or 1 left side, 1 upward, or 2 step right side, 2 step upward, or 2 step left side, 2 step upward, or 3 step right side, 3 step upward, or 3 step left side, 3 step upward, or 4 step right side, 4 step upward, or 4 step left side, 4 step upward, or 5 step right side, 5 step upward, or 5 step left side, 5 step upward. These are the possible steps for moves for queen. Next one, last one, king. King only one moves. It can move only one step. That is right side or left side or upward. That is the answer. Third sum. Referring the graph given, answer the following question. Each bar of the category is made up of boy, girl, boy unit. First subdivision. Listen this picture and answer this following. Which categories shows a boy, girl, boy unit? That is translation within the bar. Boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy. So it is fulfilled. Next listen. Boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl. And it is end with boy. So which one is the answer? Essay writing shows the translation within a bar. Next one. Which categories shows a boy, girl, boy unit that is reflected within the bar? There is an essay writing and mono acting or essay writing and mono acting. Shows reflection within the bar. That is the answer. Fourth sum. Given figure is a floor design in which the length of the small red equilateral triangle is 30 centimeter. So listen, this length is 30 centimeter. All the triangles and hexagons are regular. Describe the translation in centimeter represented by the first one yellow line and black line and blue line. This one is yellow line and this is blue line and this is the black line in your book. So first one, yellow line. Listen the length first. In hexagon, draw the triangle. In this, listen, first started from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right side. 4 moves right side. And then listen, from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 moves downwards. Listen, 1 is 30 centimeter. Here, how many moves? 4 moves. So 4 into 30 equal to 120. And then 7 into 30, 210. So what is the answer? 120 centimeter right side and 210 centimeter downwards. That is the answer. Next one, black line. Listen here. This is the black line from here to here. How many centimeter we have to find out? So as usual, draw the triangle in the hexagon. Listen the moves from here to here. Arrow mark is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here to there. So 9 moves left. 9 moves left. Next, from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 moves upward. Listen, 9 into 30, 270. And 11 into 30, 330. So answer 270 centimeter left side and 330 centimeter upward. That is the answer. Third subdivision, blue line. Here the blue line. So first draw the triangle. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 moves right side. 5 into 30, 150. Answer 150 centimeter right side. That is the answer. Fifth one, describe the transformation involved in the following pair of figures. Write translation, reflection or rotation. Listen, first one answer. D is rotated like this. So it is rotation. And second one, listen, in front of the mirror is like that only. So that is reflection. That is the mirror means it is reflected. Next, F is move some distance. So that is translation. Answer translation. Next, listen. G is reflected, so it is reflection. These are all reflection. Next, H is rotated, so it is rotation. Next one, it is also reflection. Next, it is rotation. Next, K is move some distance, so it is translation. That is the answer. Sixth sum, in chess, a knight can move only in an L-shaped pattern. We know that very well. A knight can move only in an L-shaped pattern. It may be two vertical squares, then one horizontal squares, two vertical squares and then one horizontal squares, or it may be two horizontal squares and then one vertical squares, or one vertical squares and then two horizontal squares, or one horizontal squares and two vertical squares. These are the options. Now write a series of translation to move the knight from G8 to G5. G8, here it is G8, from here to G5, G5, so here G5, and then at most two moves. So G8 from G5 we have to move. What are the series of translation? So listen. First, move to H8, one move right side. So one move right side. It is what? H8. And then from here 1, 2, two moves downwards, that is H6. Two moves downwards, that is H6. From here to, listen, two moves left side, that is F6. Two moves left side, F6, and then one moves upward, that is F7. From here, listen, one moves right side, one moves right side, that is G7. From here it goes to G5, two moves downwards, so it reach G5. So this is the series of translation to move G8 to G5. That is the answer. Seventh sum, the pink shape is congruent to blue shape. Describe a sequence of transformation in which the blue shape is the image of pink shape. So here pink shape is the pre-image, that is the blue shape is the image. So what is the translations? Listen, first one answer. 1, 2, 3. Left side. So translation, 3 moves left side, and from that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 moves upward. And next one, 90 degree counterclockwise. Next rotation, and then about the green point, and translates what's that, 5 moves left side and 2 moves downwards. That is the answer for first one. Next one, listen, translation, 90 degree 2 moves left side. So 2 moves left side 90 degree counterclockwise. Rotation about the green point, and translates how much means 2 moves left side and 2 moves upward, downward, 2 moves left side and 2 moves downwards. So that is the answer. Eighth one, first subdivision, draw the translations of the shape. Translation means what? Same thing, move some distance. So that is the translation. Listen, how will you draw means, listen here, same thing, that is the translation. Next one, draw the reflection of the shape. Reflection means what? Inside the mirror, in front of the mirror, how it will be seen. That is the reflection. So that is the reflection. And next one, draw the rotation of the shape. Listen, it will be rotated means what we get, so that is the answer for this one. Ninth sum, draw the concentric circle given that radius of inner circle is 4.5 centimeter and width of circular ring is 2.5 centimeter. They given the width 2.5 centimeter. How will you find out the outer radius? First, width equal to R2 minus R1. We know that this formula. So from that, R2 equal to this minus R1, bring this side means plus R1. So width plus R1. So 2.5 plus 4.5, we get 7 centimeter. That is the R2. Outer radius is 7 centimeter. So listen, first inner radius. In construction, first step, draw a rough diagram and mark the given measurements, and take any point O and mark it as the center. With O as center, and draw a circle of radius OA equal to 4.5 centimeter. So take 4.5 centimeter as the radius and draw a circle. From with the same center, measure 7 centimeter as the radius and draw a circle. Now write the R1, that is how much, 4.5 centimeter, and R2 equal to 7 centimeter. So that is the answer. 10th sum, draw a concentric circle. Given that radius of outer circle is 5.3 centimeter and width of circular ring is 1.8 centimeter. Listen, here they given outer circle and width 1.8 centimeter. We know that the formula width equal to R2 minus R1. From that we have to find out the R1 equal to R2 minus width. So that is equal to 5.3 minus 1.8, we get 3.5 centimeter. Now we can draw the concentric circle. First take 3.5 centimeter as R1 radius, 3.5 centimeter, and draw a circle. With the same center, take 5.3 centimeter as the radius, draw the outer circle. Now R1 equal to 3.5 centimeter R1, R2 equal to 5.3 centimeter, that is R2, OA and OB, right? That is the answer. Here exercise 4.3 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.